Stop scrolling. Listen to me. You don't need a gym. You don't need money. You only need your body. Curiosity. The strongest people you see online, they didn't start with machines. They started right here. Point to yourself. Explain. This is called calisthenics. Training with your own body weight. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats. Simple moves, real power. Story. Soldiers use it. Athletes use it. Fighters use it. When there's no gym, this is what works. Motivation. Calisthenics doesn't just build muscles. It builds confidence, discipline, focus, strong body, strong mind. Challenge. Here's your challenge. 10 push-ups right now. No excuses. If you're tired, do knee push-ups. Start today. Your body is your gym. This is calisthenics.
Be consistent, trust yourself. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment ready below. I'll see you in the next one.